Where are you going?
In the car to Dutch Wonderland.
Do you need help getting in? All right, once you get in, watch your fingers. I'm going to close the door. You ready? Well, and if you push the first button is the engine fans.
Like this one?
Yeah.
Like this one?
No, not the silver one.
This one?
Yes. Yeah, those are the engine fans.
Wait, what is it?
They add to the engine.
Okay.
Are you gonna drive?
Yep. Okay.
Just don't turn the key. Whoop. Just don't turn the key though, because I don't want to try to start the engine. Yeah. Yes.
Okay, let's go to Dutch Wonderland.
Wait, Chloe's driving me to Dutch Wonderland. We're arriving. All right, Chloe. All right, let's open the doors. We got to go in.
Yeah.
Go ahead and pop the door.
Okay. Well, Dutch Wonderland has a haircut place, so let's go get your haircut.
Thank you. You all buckled in, ready to go? Where are we headed?
The Great Wolf Lodge.
Great Wolf Lodge. All right, you're all in.
Only Dutch Wonderland that one.
All right.
Let's go to Dutch Wonderland.
Hold on. Turn on the fans.
Wait, let's put pink